Hi, in this video I'm going to show you an Alexa skill that we have been working on for about a month or two now. The skill basically allows you to keep track of your expenses and through that modify your expenditures or your spending habits so that you can save money at the end of the year. When designing this app, we wanted to make sure that it was very easy to integrate it with the daily routine. We didn't want it to be something that felt like work. And to that end, we have tried to make the conversational aspects of dealing with Alexa a lot more fluid so that you can just walk into the house and start talking just like you would to any other person, except that Alexa would be able to keep track of the expenses and allow you to do analytics and reporting later. So without further delay, let's go ahead and have a listen to this latest conversational aspect with Alexa. Alexa, track my spend.
Welcome to Spend Tracker. Please set your account before we begin.
Use test.
Your account has been changed to test. Expenses for this session can now be tracked.
I spent $20 on fuel yesterday.
Your expense has been tracked 20 on March 14, 2019 for fuel.
How much have I spent on fuel this year?
You have spent 20.0 on fuel since 2019 at average of 20.0.
Compare fuel between last year and this year.
Your expenses for fuel have decreased by 99.8% from $8,049 to $20,000.
Get last one.
20 on March 14, 2019 for fuel.
That's all.
Thank you for tracking your expenses. Have a nice day.